Hey, Mark Yegge here, Wealth Architect, and in this video, we're going to have a quick talk about what's happened to Bitcoin in the last couple of weeks, how it's dropped, what I think it's going to do, and where it's going technically. So stay tuned. So Bitcoin has had a drop over the last few weeks, and it hit an all-time high at around 68,000. I'm going to show you a chart in just a second. And then you're going to see that it had a pullback. Now, the pullback's been coming down on fairly light volume because a lot of the Bitcoin is locked up and it's on wallets now. And so there's not a lot of activity going on in Bitcoin. So you wonder where the selling is coming from. Here's the chart. So if you take a look here, here is the chart. This is a 12-hour chart because it's a 24-hour product and it trades on a 24-hour basis, right? So it's nice to look at some chunks of time. And you can look at the volume down below, down here. But taking a look since about the 8th or 9th, when it kind of ran up into this beautiful crescendo and then kind of came back a little bit, but the sellers weren't really prevalent, and then it went up to 68,991. You see that there? That high that happened on November 10th. Since that high, we've had a pretty decent sell-off. I mean, it's been very few buy days and a lot of sell days, right? You see them, it goes up 4 days and it comes down about 8 days on average, right? If you just look at this. However, what's going on is right in here, you're showing a double bottom pattern, a very slight double bottom pattern, but this bottom has now exceeded the bottom from the November 18th. And so that shows that there might be a capitulation here. And that has been bouncing a little bit today. You see this little candlestick? It's called a spinning top candle. That basically means there's no winners between the buyers and the losers. And that generally sometimes can be a reversal, right? And so you're seeing that there was some volume coming down recently, but nothing like the volume. See these big volume bars at the bottom? Nothing like those big volume bars. Those big volume bars are some major selling in comparison to the other volume bars. Now, it's not a huge amount of selling in comparison to the general overall market of Bitcoin, but in these particular days, it was big, right? But the rest of the time, it's been fairly light volume selling and even light volume buying. So there's really not been a lot of conviction. And if you look at the on-chain analytics, you see that a lot of people are buying and holding Bitcoin. They're buying it, they're putting it in their wallet, they're maybe even moving it off of the exchanges, they're putting it in cold wallets, and therefore it's just moving away from the actively traded components of the quotes. And so once these little sellers get out of the way, the big money is going to come in. Now this is becoming more and more adopted as time goes by. There's more ETFs being approved going forward. There's more companies buying crypto because they believe it needs to be part of their assets. But looking at the technically, I think that crypto could go down here. It's got this first part of the bottom. We'll see if it holds. It's always a nice test to see if it comes back there and tests it. Right now, to me, just based on the last 12 hours of action, it looks like it's going to hold. And then if it does, it comes up the other side. And the $60,000 level right here, that's a big resistance level. If it gets through that, to me, it looks like it wants to go back up and test its highs. So I hope that gave you a couple of ideas about where Bitcoin is going. Look, I think anywhere in here is a great time to buy Bitcoin. I have a feeling that we're going to get a huge bounce. If you watch one of my other videos, I talk about how I think Bitcoin is going to 100,000 in the short term. In the medium term, I think it's going to 400,000. And then you're going to think this is totally crazy, but I think it's going to 2 million in about 5 years. And that's because of the scarcity and the supply and demand and the other things that I talk about, why I'm so bullish on Bitcoin. I think if you're not using Bitcoin now, you're going to be using it in 5 years. So you might as well get involved now and figure it out and make some money on it in the process. Thanks for watching. Hi, Mark Yegge here, and I want to tell you about what I think is the greatest investment opportunity of our lifetime, and that's crypto assets. It took me a while to get here, but this is where I am now. And if you're looking to make a solid investment in the crypto space, but you're not exactly sure how to go about it, or you want to be involved in a portfolio of professionally managed crypto assets, then you should know about our newest fund, IntelliGrowth Digital. Now, we're just opening it up to a limited number of accredited investors, and I think it could be poised to do incredibly well in the coming years. So if you want to learn more, there's a link in the description below that will lead you to a page that has lots of information about why I think this is the greatest investment opportunity we will ever see. And if you want to be a partner in this fund, you can take advantage of it. There will be a way to have a call with me or a member of my team to see if it's right for you. Now, here's what did it for me. In 2016, you needed 480 Bitcoin to buy the average American home. And now you need just 5. Amazing, right? And we're just getting started. It's just the very beginning. So click on the link below to get more information and to find out how you can become a partner.